User interface structure and component. First, please input flexible dashboard address here. Localhost 8080 chat base being chatstudio.html. And the three ways to create a new dashboard appears in welcome page. Let's press here. The generic functional buttons are in the upper of the interface. New is to create a new template. Open to open a saved file. Save the present chart. Save the chart as other file name. Run to run the file you created and show it in browse. Watermark, data import, publish, cut, copy, paste, delete. Move the chart up to the top, move up, move down, move bottom, align the chart left, align horizontal center, align right, align top, align vertical center, align bottom, and the product register. And the interface language you can show as Chinese, English, and the last one is about us. And the components in the left panel of interface consist of some functional components here, like layout or some other buttons. And the dashboard include the column chart, bar chart, and pie chart, and some Gs. And the filter include the text input filter, radio button filter, and so on. You can drag the component onto the workspace to create a multifunctional chart via integrating this component. For example, we drag the horizontal group layout onto the workspace. We can see the chart setting of the component in the source tab here, the height and the width, and for the horizontal group width. Yeah. And now let's see the structure of the component showed in outline. The bottom layout, this one, is a vertical group before, and now we can see a tree structure after we drag the horizontal group onto the workspace. The vertical group, the horizontal group we dragged before, and the node which you selected will be highlighted in the workspace. And the variable is used to reset the value directly. You can select the fixed variable from the system variables, like this. The variable is here, and drag to the workspace to edit. Or you can customize the variable in global variable, or the present chart variable also can be customized in chart variable here, new, and the detail will be introduced later. The right panel of interface is property setting. Select a chart or a component and set its size and the location in generic here. Let's see the chart here, and just size and the location property. For example, if we drag a column chart onto the workspace, the more property appear, like type and style. You can categorize by vertical, by horizontal, or by series vertical, or by series horizontal. And you also can drag the chart in design view or insert a number here directly. like this way, or you can also see the number changed in source. Here we type x 100, y 100, c y xy 100, and all the number can be changed. The generic property setting can satisfy almost the requirements. The advanced tab, which is next to generic, is to customize further property. For example, we select the bottom design view. We highlight the bottom design view, the biggest, the bottom one. You can see its advanced property here. You can see property and the style and its event. You can customize the property like the style, baseline, or font size or color something. And the last tab is quick setting. The system will analyze the property catalog tree after you select a chart. Like we select the chart here. You can see the property catalog tree, any chart, data followed setting by series by style, and you can select one node and reset its property here. Now we make a dashboard by other way. Click new and the template dialog appears. If we press return, we will return to the welcome dialog. We can click template back to template dialog, or click open to open a zip file. We select 2 rows and 2 columns template as a sample. There are 4 equal size components and a title above on the workspace. You can delete the title and clicking delete button. Let's check the data setting of the view in source. So this is the setting of the component in the source, and let's go to see the outline here. On the bottom of the workspace is the Scholar container. Scholar's container. Here, see the grid bricks. Yes, and there is a vertical group. There's a vertical group in the Scholar, and there are 2 horizontal groups in the vertical group. This 2 horizontal groups, and there are 2 groups in each horizontal. And you can select one component to reset its size and the location in generic. Now we select the 1-to-1 template as a sample. Let's check the source of the present template. There is a script for complicated development here. You can customize the event or functional button you want by editing the script here. This for the person who do the further development. Okay. Now we continue to introduce other functional button. Click open button. An open dialog appears. You can select the file you saved before. We open function grid here, press open. Let's see in the design view, or we open a circular gauge, press open. These charts are saved before. If you have done some change here in property, you can save it or save as other file name and press run to check the results you saved. Now let's see the result. And the watermark. The watermark provides copyright protection. You can click a watermark button and you can enable or disable the watermark. We enable watermark here and test input your text here like hello, and you can change the font, the color or the size, and the opacity and the rotation and the glow, and you save it, run again. Let's see the watermark in the interface. The next one is data import. Data import can help you to import the Excel data. Click Data Import button. A dialog appears. Select the import file type Excel, and open and save the Excel file local. You can just click and open. And select the JND you want to import to. JND is a resource not in context.hm of Tomcat CONF catalog. It quotes a link from my Circle database. Here we select the sample data, and there are other import choice. Press import, and the content of the Excel file is imported in the database. And publish. You can publish the present chart into Pentaho solution repository. The details is coming.